How to start a topical blog. There are different types of blogs, the main two categories being journalistic and topical. Journalistic blogs are more for bloggers who want to journal or vent about their everyday life, exciting things happening in their local community, and important milestones in their relationships and family life. Maybe you aren't the type of blogger who wants to journal about their everyday life. Maybe you want to blog about a broad range of interest for a larger audience? Topical blogging isn't only more appealing to a larger audience in general, but it can get you a lot more feedback and traffic that you want to aim for. Steps. 1. Pick a topic of interest that you want to pursue. Whether that be current events in Europe or effective fishing techniques, try to find something that truly intrigues you. You can't start a successful blog without first being fascinated by what you're blogging about. 2. Research that topic. Once you've chosen a topic, research it. Go online, find many different websites to get information from, or go to your local library to search for books, preferably non-fiction pieces on that topic. Books and websites aren't your limited source of knowledge either. You can look through magazine articles, newspapers, and personal sources too. Maybe one of your friends or family members knows about what you're trying to write about. Ask them if they can sit down for an interview sometime and get information that way. 3. After you've gotten enough information, create your blog. The best blog hosts to begin from are WordPress, Blogger, and Tumblr. Choose a good blog hosting site and make sure you start with a good account username. If you don't want your own name being shown and don't want it looking anonymous for whatever reason, you might want to sign up with a fake pen name. If you're using Blogger, for example, create a fake Google account first, since Google is linked with Blogger, with a fake name and profile picture. If you don't mind your real name being shown, stick with an account you already have or use your own name and photo. 4. Choose a catchy name that isn't already taken. It's best not to use numbers in your blog address, so if you find your first choice isn't available, try varying the way you write your URL until you find that it isn't taken. Example, first you try baileysrestaurant.blogspot.com and it's already taken. Try doing baileys_familyrestaurant.blogspot.com instead. 5. Keep your title and description short and to the point. Krista's Guide to a Vegan Lifestyle will look much better than Krista E. Stewart's Guide to Organic, Healthy Living Without Meat, Dairy, Eggs, or Artificial Additives. 6. Choose a random, nice-looking sample template. Chances are you'll be able to change it later. When you go back, look through all the available templates and choose one that best illustrates your topic. If not, find a simple, inviting template that is aesthetically pleasing. Go for colors that set the mood for your topic. If you have an exciting topic, choose something eccentric like firehouse red or lime green. For more calm or serious topics, choose light-hearted colors like sky blue, beige, or midnight black. 7. Arrange the layout however you want. Add gadgets or widgets in places that look nice, try to keep similar widgets grouped together, and don't overcrowd. Add a good amount of entertaining widgets as well as basic widgets like hit counters and list of followers. Add recommendations of other blog links to show that you're interested in the blog community and throw in a fun poll to entertain your guests. 8. Write your first post. Start off with a friendly introduction to your blog, explaining what is to be expected and when your upcoming posts are arriving. 9. Keep updating regularly with posts about your topic. Explain your thoughts on your topic, elaborate on a news event, post interesting pictures, or whatever you think will be entertaining to read and will attract followers. 10. To bring more followers to your site, join a website that is related to your topic with a forum. Find a blog forum and offer to share links. Link your blog and offer to read and follow other blogs. 11. Make sure your blog is indexed on the main search engines. Even if it is indexed, it probably won't be on the first few page results for general keywords until it has gained significant popularity. To test if it is indexed, just type the blog address in the search engine and see if it comes up. If not, submit your URL to be indexed. This is especially easy to do on Google. 12. Post your blog link on social networking sites. If you have a Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Friendster, etc. where people know you and will be interested in your blog. Post up a link on your wall or profile. 13. Comment on other blogs that are relevant to your topic and join them. When commenting, link your blog for others to find. Comment thoughtfully, be courteous, and make sure the blogger knows you are genuinely interested. 14. Most importantly, have fun. Don't take your blog too seriously, just stay on topic and keep things upbeat. Remember, this is mainly for you. Tips. Create subtle controversy. This will enable people to host discussions and debates on your posts. Just don't let things get out of control. Change up the template and layout once in a while to spice things up and keep them fresh. Create drama. If you find out someone is threatening or talking trash related to your topic, rant about it. Keep readers interested. This generally works the best with political or controversial lifestyle blogs. You can also create positive drama. If you find out a law was passed in favor to your topic, post about it. Make people happy. Keep your blog role in use. If you link other blogs to your blog, chances are they will notice their traffic source and they will link you back, in turn increasing your traffic as well. It also shows you care about other blogs aside from your own. Warnings. Your blog might not be noticed at first, but keep trying. Don't let people discourage you from blogging. There are many people who think blogging is a waste of time. If it's enjoyable to you, it's none of their business.